you're all healthy and so is your preparation for the upcoming bank exams. Well, the long wait is finally over as SBI has released its notification for the recruitment in clerical cadre for the year 2016. The last time a similar notification was released by SBI was in 2014, which means this notification has come almost after 2 years for the recruitment of clerical cadre in SBI. And no doubt, this is a golden opportunity for all you guys aspiring to establish your career in the banking industry. So what are the immediate action points? Number 1, complete your application process well in advance. Please note that the last date to apply for this exam is April 25. And number 2, start your preparation now. But even before you get into all this, let us look at the 5 highlights of this year's SBI Clerks notification. Highlight number 1, better jobs. Why do I say so? Well, the recruitment this year is for the post of Junior Associates in Customer Support and Sales and Junior Agricultural Associates, which no doubt is a better profile when compared to assistants in the same clerical cadre. All of you would agree with me that customer is key to any business, and every business is because of its customers and not vice versa. So as a Junior Associate in Customer Support and Sales, you would be working in the most important department of the organization. And hence, this is definitely a better job, and also you will grow much faster in your career. Highlight number 2, more jobs. Well, SBI is going to fill a whopping 17,000 plus vacancies to this year's recruitment, which is more than 3 times the number of vacancies that were filled in a similar recruitment last time. Like I mentioned, a similar notification was released in 2014, which had about 5,000 plus jobs. And this year, it is more than 17,000 vacancies. So clearly, this is 3 times more than what it was the last time. However, if you are a smart student and confident about your preparation, this more number of vacancies wouldn't really matter to you, because you know that there is one job guaranteed for you, and all the other vacancies there are in addition to what you need. Highlight number 3, official language test. Well, this is a surprise in this year's selection process. All the candidates will have to go through an official language test or a local language test before the final selection is made. However, candidates who produced a 10th class mark sheet or a certificate which proves that they have studied the official language or the local language of the state will not be subjected to this test. For example, candidates appearing from Tamil Nadu will either have to produce their 10th class mark sheet or a certificate stating that they have studied Tamil as a language in the schooling, or will have to take a Tamil language test before the final selection is made. Highlight number 4, separate timing for each section in the main examination. Now this, I would say, is a radical change in the selection process for bank exams. You all know that the SBI Clerks exam would be conducted in 2 phases. Phase 1 would be a preliminary examination consisting of 3 sections: numerical ability, reasoning ability and English language. And the composite time given for all these 3 sections is 1 hour. And the phase 2 will be a main examination which will have 4 sections. These 4 sections would be general or financial awareness, reasoning ability and computer aptitude, quantitative aptitude and general English. Well, the change here is that instead of giving a composite time of 2 hours and 40 minutes like usual, this year each section in the main examination will have its own timing. And as per the notification, the sections of quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability and computer aptitude will have 45 minutes each as a time limit, and the remaining 2 sections, which are general and financial awareness and general English, will have 35 minutes each as the time limit. Now, is this good or bad? While most of you may consider it to be bad, I would say take it positively. You don't have to worry about the time allocation or the order in which you have to attend the sections in the main examination, because it is already fixed, right? It is pre-fixed. 45 minutes for 2 of the sections and 35 for the other 2 sections, right? So just ensure that you prepare enough and practice well for all the 4 sections, and then give your best in the examination. highlight number 5, interviews remain a question mark. While there is a mandate from the Government of India that there will not be any interviews for the recruitment of Group B and Group C posts in any public sector unit, and it was expected that the bank exam recruitment would not have interview as its selection process, SBI notification states that there may be interviews subject to the approval from Government of India, which means candidates who have qualified in the main examination may be called for interview if they get an approval from the Government of India. So these were the 5 highlights from the notification of recruitment for junior associates in the clerical cadre in State Bank of India. I suggest you go through the notification in detail and complete your application process for this exam at the earliest possible. Remember, the last date to apply is April 25. And please note that the earlier you start, the better are your chances. So start your preparation now. All the best. Hey guys, welcome to TalentSprint. Well, the wait is finally over and SBI has released its notification for the recruitment of junior associates in clerical cadre for the year 2016. As you all must be aware, there was no notification for SBI clerical recruitment last year.
I am Ravi Menon from TalentSprint. I am Program Director in this company. And we will discuss how we can tackle the interviews which are going to start just 10 days from now. What we'll do is I will take you through a PowerPoint presentation so that we can attack the subject in a structured manner.